Introducing CADS, your trusted partner for retail space planning software, StoreSpace, and a comprehensive range of retail services enabling you to get the most from your retail areas. CADS is trusted by retailers both nationally and internationally to deliver a reliable, knowledgeable resource, measurable change, and invaluable metrics, helping retailers to increase store profitability. StoreSpace, our powerful retail space planning software, enhances your ability to plan, manage, and analyse your stores, providing you with actionable insights to optimise your store layout and drive sales. With StoreSpace, you can analyse category space using sales data and use model stores to replicate your best performing outlets. And by integrating your planogram software with StoreSpace, you can overlay sales, movement, and profit heat maps onto your floor plans, making it easier to identify where your space allocation is successful or where categories are underperforming. Led by our expert team of planners, our retail space planning services offers an extension to your store planning teams, providing a comprehensive store planning resource tailored to maximise your floor space and improve store profitability, whatever size your retail estate. With the largest team of experienced UK-based retail planners, we provide a knowledgeable resource to your team for all in-store layout changes, including refurbishment projects and seasonal range reviews with minimum disruption. Cut the cost and time of planning and managing store refurbishments across your estate with StoreView 360 virtual tours. Virtually visit existing retail space in a collaborative environment to identify sites that need refurbishing without physically being there. StoreView enables your team to accurately compare before and after store plans to evaluate changes and plan further work with stakeholders across the business. CADS will also capture the data on your store estate with our retail store surveys. Working throughout the UK and Europe, our experienced surveyors will record the information you need for any scale of project, whether at a single location or a multitude of sites. While our Matterport retail surveys capture the reality of your physical retail space in a digital twin, enabling you to collaborate with your colleagues within this 3D immersive asset record, informing your decision-making with accurate photographic panoramic images and dimensional measurement. Complementing CADS retail services is the award-winning multidisciplinary design studio Prosper. The team at Prosper are able to offer their retail and F&B clients a true end-to-end design service and provide support on everything from design strategy and concept inception to construction detailing and on-site delivery. As designers, architects and delivery experts, Prosper pride themselves on their collective ability to create spaces that truly connect with the people using them. Their comprehensive interior design, architecture and retail design delivery service infuses the process with creativity and practicality to imbue brands with a fully immersive experience. At CADS, our combined services and StoreSpace software will ensure that your retail business maximises its potential in-store layout, design and profitability. CADS. We make space work.